Small encumbrance, exceptional productivity. The E46 is a compact walk-behind scrubber dryer, ideal for thorough cleaning of small and medium-sized areas that you could not clean before. It's suitable for areas between 200 square meters and 1,500 square meters. With a scrubbing width of 460 millimeters combined to a speed of 3.5 kilometers per hour, the machine guarantees an area coverage of 1,700 square meters per hour. The two tanks with 28 30 liters capacity are easily removable and are fully accessible for easy filling, emptying and cleaning. The machine is available either cable-powered or battery-powered that provides an impressive 2.5 hours running time. The brush or the abrasive pad can be easily removed or replaced without tools. The water tube and the vacuum tube are incorporated inside the handlebar for better protection, easier maintenance, and also the removal of the recovery take is very easy. For security reasons, the E46 can be started only by a key. The handle can be adjusted in height to provide comfortable operation for the operator. The controls are fully visible and very easily operated. The solution tank can be easily filled by hose or container. You can now easily and thoroughly clean confined areas due to the compact design of the scrubber dryer E46. Due to the excellent drying performance, the floor is left totally dry and safe for use. Washes and dries in an excellent way, even close to obstacles or confined areas, thanks to the manageability of the machine. Ergonomic handle and handlebar for operator comfort, making the job of cleaning extremely easy. The recovery tank is easily removed for easy emptying and cleaning. Small encumbrance, exceptional productivity.